In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your videos in Canva and customize them the way you want. So let's start with the first step. Just select the video clip and click Captions from the toolbox right here. And you will see a selection of pre-built caption styles. And each caption style already comes with its own combination of fonts, colors, formatting, and animation. And for generating your captions, you have to pick a style. Later on, you can anyhow change it or customize it the way you want. But for now, just pick a style you like. Then select the number of clips from here and then click Generate Captions. Now Canva will automatically generate all your captions and add them to your timeline within no time. Now that the captions are ready, the next step is to make sure everything is correct. So to access the caption transcript in Canva, just simply select the text block you want and click Captions again. Now this opens the Captions panel where you will see two tabs, Transcript and Styles. Now Transcript lets you check and edit the caption text, while Styles lets you change how your captions look. But for now, let's just focus on editing the caption text. So as soon as you click Transcript tab, you will notice how neatly Canva organizes the transcript. And if you want to edit a caption, just simply click the caption text. You will see the edit option appear next to it. Click the pencil icon and the caption becomes editable. And once you are done, click the check mark to save the change. Now if you want, you can also delete the caption by just clicking this delete button here. And once it's done, we can now move on to styling the captions. So let's start with the basic text options. Just click the caption you want to edit, choose your font and adjust the size and color. You can also use any of these text formatting options from here, and you can also adjust the spacing and position of your captions. Now let's take the styling a little further. When you select any caption and click Effect, it will open regular Canva text effects. You can use any of them and style your captions the way you want. And if that's not enough for you, you can also check other text-focused apps in Canva such as Type Studio and Typecraft, etc. But please don't overdo it. And once you have decided how your captions should look, let's decide how you want them to move. Canva has animations specially designed for captions. So when you select a caption and click Animate, then you will find these three special animations right here. For example, if you select Highlight, it can emphasize individual words as they are spoken. And you can change the highlight color from here to match your video's design. And you can also animate your captions just like regular text. Just select the caption, click Animate, and Canva gives you several text animation options. After applying an animation, you can also decide whether it plays when the caption enters or exits the screen, or both. And some captions also give you extra controls like speed and writing style. For example, if I choose typewriter, then I can choose whether the text appears character by character or word by word. And if I want the animation to match the exact timing of my captions, then I simply need to click this button right here, Sync with Captions. That's it, and Canva will automatically do it for you. So just like that, you can play around with different text animations and choose the one you like. Now here I also want to share a few important things about Canva captions. First, I have also tested Canva's captions with Hindi videos. But Canva doesn't translate Hindi speech into English. Instead, it generally transcribes the Hindi speech in Hindi script while keeping English words in English. So that will be the case with any other language other than English. So if you're creating videos in Hindi or English, you can still use Canva's automatic captions, but you will need to customize them manually where needed. And one last thing to know, Canva currently doesn't let you import your own caption files such as SRT files. So you will need to generate and edit your captions directly inside Canva and export your project as a video file. Like you can't export captions only file. And that's it. You have generated your captions. And to export your video, just click Share Download and select MP4 as the video format, then select the highest resolution available and then click download. Now the download might take some time depending on your video's duration, aspect ratio and obviously your internet speed. So while you wait for your video file to download, let me go and take some rest or maybe work on the next video.